Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Casetify. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Klarna. So when you open up Klarna and once you're logged into your Klarna account, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to stores and then search for Casetify. So let me do that. So search for Casetify and then once selected, so select it and get to the store. So once you get to the store here, so what are you going to do now here, we're going to create a digital card, which is actually a prepaid card that we can use when we check out. All right, we can add it to our Google Pay and then we can just check out using Google Pay. So you can create that. So click on create digital card and then put in any value that you wish to top up it with. So for example, depending on your purchase amount, so I'll just put 10 for demo. So just put $10 just for the demo. So I'm just going to create a digital card with this. So let me just get this done. So that's the payment plan. Hit on continue and then once you're done with that, again confirm. So that's all the details and then confirm it and then your card will be generated shortly. So once this card has been generated, so what you can do is you can add this card to your Google Pay and then you can use it when you check out. So for example, here my digital card has been created, so that's my digital card to use. So what I can do, I can just add it to Google Pay. For example, tap in add to Google Pay. So this card will be added to Google Pay and then you can simply use your Google Pay method when you check out. So hit on continue and then just get it added to your Google Pay account. So hit on continue. Okay, and then just complete the process and then yep, that's it. More, accept all the terms and conditions, accept it, and then it's gonna get verified with Google Pay and then all right, okay, and that's it. Your card has been enabled on Google Pay. So now what we can do, we can simply use Google Pay to check out, and if you're making online purchase, same thing, you can check out with Google Pay or you can also check out with the card details here. So you can use your Klarna card details. So you can use those card details and then check out with it using your Klarna's card number and all those information. All right, for example. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.